Hi, good morning everybody. In this video screencast tutorial, I'd like to work with you to construct a very simple Microsoft Access database. This Microsoft Access database will have two tables, a salesperson table and a customer table. The salesperson table will have all these details: the salesperson ID, last name of the salesperson, first name, how much commission they get, what's the percentage of their commission expressed in this field or in this column, commission rate, and the gender of the salesperson. The gender is represented by just one character, either male or female. The last name is represented using at most 15 characters, first name 15 characters, commission rate is 2 digits, and the salesperson ID is represented as an auto number. It will be the primary key for this database, and we want the Microsoft Access database to assign these numbers automatically to the salesperson, so that's why it is designated as an auto number. So I will go into more details of this as we go through the actual construction of these tables. But it suffices to say that each salesperson has a number of customers, and these customers are also represented in this database in the customer table. One note of caution is that you can construct this database either in Microsoft Access or in LibreOffice Base. Either platform is fine as long as you use that platform consistently. That should be quite fine for the purposes of this module. There are separate pages in this module that are available for you that walk you through how to construct different aspects of the database using Microsoft Access as well as LibreOffice Base. I do want you to refer to those pages. For Microsoft Access, you can, once you have it installed, you can start it in a number of ways. For me, I have it as an icon pinned here, so I could start through this by right clicking and clicking on Access 2016, or you could go to the start menu, all programs. I use it quite frequently, so I see this Microsoft Access in here. So, or you could go to the Microsoft Office tools in this start menu and open it that way too. So any which way you open Microsoft Access is fine. So once you open this Microsoft Access database, I do want you to select a blank desktop database, and it does ask you to give a name for this database. You could choose any name that you choose. For example, a more relevant name for this would be Module 2 Practice Activity Database. So you could start this, you can give this, you select the blank database and you go to Module 2 Practice Activity. You type in the name Module 2 Practice Activity. You can also save it in any location that you choose. For now, I'm just going to leave it under Documents and click Create, and it would start creating this database for you. So now I go to this blank Access database without anything in it, and it's prompting me to create a new table. It's giving a name of the name of table 1 to this new table. But I would show you in the next few steps how to create those two tables, the salesperson table and the customer table that we have been that I talked about earlier.